Obi, thanks for taking the time to meet with me.
Well, you are in for quite a challenge.
Oh, I don't know. I know people enjoy complaining about the province merger, but I'm not sure all that negativity is warranted. I'm ready for any challenges that may come up during the transition.
Yes, well, I know you've served as treasurer in your province, but I think you'll find things are done a little differently here.
No offense, Obi, but I don't think I would have been appointed here had they not wanted me to start doing things differently.
I see. You feel prepared to reinvent the wheel?
Not reinvent, just evolve it a bit.
Please, it's your office now.
Thank you. Where were we?
You were saying how prepared you are to lead.
Well, I have studied the sections in the IAG.
Of course you have, but you also need to focus locally and contextualize some of the major procedures as they apply to our province here. Many of the men in this province aren't thrilled with this merger. You need to make sure you are conscious of their needs.
The old guard resists change, but they will come along. I will be looking at the issues facing our new merged province from individual, community, and provincial level.
Oh, how nice.
I think the main issue, of course, is the financial sustainability of the communities. Given the youth of the men in our province, few of them are in the apostolic field in a stable apostolic work. Most communities sustain with very few salaries and incomes. I will be introducing some new measures.
Well, I think you should first examine how things have always been done around here. There are effective systems in place and members of the province are accustomed to that.
Would you like some coffee? I haven't had any today.
No. I'll be leaving shortly. Do you even know where we keep the coffee?
Yes, I put a pot on before I came here. Just give me a minute.
I said I was fine.
It's good coffee. Have some.
You know, listening is a very key part of leadership.
Mazembo and Obi, how's the transition?
It's going well, Father Jacques.
Wonderfully well, thank you for asking.
Yes, Father Obi was just imparting some wisdom about leadership. Go on, Father Obi. How do you define leadership?
Well, in this role, I always try to offer perfect responsiveness to my community. I am a proud Jesuit, and I see it as my duty to echo faithfully the desires and wishes of my Jesuit brothers.
So essentially, you felt it necessary to be obedient to your community? Did you think that would legitimize you?
No, you are misunderstanding. My goal was to make things easier for the community, to empower the Jesuits in the province to serve better in ministry.
Of course.
Well, I've seen the way you lead, Mazembo. You act like a superhero, like you don't even need a community. You strode into this province young, idealistic, and determined to show you are some sort of Superman with outstanding and unmatched qualities and virtues.
Obi, I think you are misunderstanding an innovative spirit.
Brothers.